What's going on, guys? Back at it with another vlog. Today we're going to be working on my buddy's WRX. This is Eric. This is his car. Tell us what you're going to do today.
Well, it's got a multitude of problems. There's going to be a bunch of videos. But right now we are going to put in the Grimspeed hood struts to allow us to have the hood open to a almost 90-degree angle. To give us more access, especially with if anyone that has a Subaru, WRX, STI, whatever it is. If you need to do anything to this car, you have to take the top mount off. So to give us more access for future repairs, I'm going to do this modification to give us more access.
Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're first going to take this bolt off the fender.
It's a 10mm socket, 12mm here. Leave the bottom one in.
Alright.
You're going to do the same thing on the other side, but we're going to do one side at a time.
Oh.
My shocker's too big.
Oh, that's what she said. Alright, so now that we got one side done, we're actually going to talk about how to actually do it. So Eric's going to take over and he's going to talk about what you had to do.
I'm going to line up the bolt, make sure that this indent is against the bracket for the hood. Alright, make sure you tighten down the latch on the fender. Make sure it seats. And it's time for a test run.
That's crazy how much difference that does. Totally want to do this. So after you're all done, you just want to make sure everything works, everything doesn't break or anything. So we ran into a little problem with the hood struts. So basically, the bracket, we had it facing sideways. It actually has to be going up and down. Just a little side note, so you guys don't do the same thing we did. But alright, so now that we finished that, that's that. Looks good. As you can see, hood is like 90 degrees. Looks amazing. I think Eric's very happy with it.
There's so much more room for activities.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.